Okay, for my first technology, I'm going to be talking about PBS Kids. The audience for this is students and teachers, preferably younger students, is what this website and app is geared towards. I chose this because it's a fun way for students to practice academics in a game type setting. It also helps younger students learn independence with technology. These are the two standards I chose because students are using the technology to get feedback through the games, and they're also engaging in positive and safe ways to use technologies. So let's click on the website here. And when you get on, you can sign in, parents can sign in. There's lots of different things you can do. It has videos, so there's lots of all of the shows like Curious George, Arthur, Caillou, videos that have good social skills and things like that in them, Cat in the Hat science videos, they're going to have those there. And if we go back, there is also this game tab. The reason this is so user-friendly for kids is because they have these wonderful pictures that help them read. So if we go to games, they have some of their popular ones right up front. And then they also, you can come down here, and they have games and categories, and they have little pictures. So each of the kids, even if they're early readers or pre-readers, can figure out what they're looking for because of the little icons like the science and the social studies and the readings. There's a ton of popular games in here because they are all popular characters.
More topics.
And there is a ton more games. I think it's cool. They have like engineering, ABC. So we can go to ABC just to look. And they have bingo. Abby from Sesame Street. They have superheroes on here. Alphabet soup. So this one's pretty fun. Cookie Monster makes words with his soup noodles.
Oh, hello there. Me just sitting down to nice, warm, healthy bowl of alphabet soup. Yeah. Oh, me love to eat alphabet soup. Yeah, because it's tasty and healthy, of course, but me also love to eat it because me love to make words with noodles. Yeah, me show you. We can do it together. Oh, look at delicious bowl of soup. Oh, num 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 num. Oh, me see two letters there. Yeah, but word is missing important middle letter noodle. You choose middle sound for word. Move little star to letter sound you want and click.
So what I really like is it's working on middle sounds, which can be really hard for younger students. So let's say maybe we want to do the word red. So we click on E.
Ah, E makes the sound. That's the word red. Oh, look good enough to eat. Me think we can make another word with these letters. Move little.
So that game goes on and on. There's lots of different games in here. It's super easy for kids to navigate, and most importantly, they love it.